Okay, so today is day 2 of our 7-day challenge where we are getting organized in October. And I decided to tackle the linen closet today. So I was going to take 40 items out of my linen closet. My linen closet actually isn't too bad. I cleaned it up a few years ago and I've actually done a pretty good job of keeping it at bay, but there were still some things that needed to come out, and I did find at least 40 items, like this Spiderman sheet. My sons are all grown, they don't use Spiderman anymore. Now this is something I definitely don't use. I don't know why I didn't get rid of the last time I cleaned out this closet, but this is the rug that goes, right by the toilet. I think this is the worst thing you can use if you have men in the house. So I learned that very early on not to use one of those. So I'm not sure how I still have it. So this is the final view after I've cleaned out the linen closet. I did have some new towels that I had purchased, so I went on and put those out, put some of the sheets in some bins. And I'm going to give you a little side-by-side look at the before and after. And here is the pile of 40 items that I took out the linen closet that I am going to donate. Let me know in the comments below, what are you going to purge for day 2? What will be your 40 items that you will donate as we are pushing to organize in the month of October? Until next time, have a blessed day.